I'm Sajid and welcome back to my channel SciTech. In today's video, I'll try to do the fingerprint or speed test comparison between the OnePlus 9R versus the OnePlus 8T device. As you can see, friends, so both phones they do have the in-display fingerprint scanner, and let's see which phone will be having the faster display. So whether the OnePlus 8T, which is the old generation, and with the latest generation from the OnePlus 9R. So we'll get to know all this kind of in-depth comparison between both phones. So in case if you're watching this channel for the first time, and make sure to subscribe our channel, friends, SciTech Guru. So first, let's see what are the settings which are available in this phone in terms of the fingerprint scanner. So is there any improvement, or is there any same kind of options which are present? So that is what I'll try to see right now. As you can see, friends, this is a OnePlus 8T device and it is a OnePlus 9R. So both phones they do have the same kind of options, so there is nothing upgraded in terms of the options. And in terms of the styles, I think only same options you are having here, same animation, so nothing much difference, friends. So there is no difference at all. So I'm trying to use the same animation during this time of testing. So let me try to disable the Face ID unlocking during this time of testing. So I don't want to use the Face ID unlocking because this is a fingerprint scanning test. So let's see, friends, what will happen when you are trying to use the fingerprint scanner in both phones. So let me even try to disable the Face ID in this particular phone as well, so which I forgot to do. So Face ID unlock is completely off. So Face ID unlocking is completely off in both phones right now. You can see here there is no face symbol on the top. So let's test the fingerprint scanning functionality, and both phones are having the same kind of placement at same place. So there is no height difference as well. So let's see, friends, which phone will be unlocking faster. As you can see, friends, both phones I think did unlock pretty faster. As you can see, friends, clearly. So there's nothing much difference even with the latest generation. There's not much difference here. So with this OnePlus is that you don't need to press very hard, so you need to just tap on the screen and it'll try to unlock with a single tap. So no need to even press very much harder. But overall both phones are kind of close to each other only, friends. Not much difference is there at the moment. So this is a quick fingerprint comparison test between both phones, and both phones are performing really great. Even the old generation from the OnePlus 8T is also doing good. So thank you, friends, for watching this video, and in case if you're having any other doubts, so make sure to check the playlist. So see you in the next video, friends. Until then, bye.